Tunica, and the
The National Weather Service in Memphis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Crittenden County and eastern Arkansas, eastern Cross County and eastern Arkansas, northern St. Francis County and eastern Arkansas until 9:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 8:58 p.m. Central Standard Time, trained weather spotters reported a severe thunderstorm producing half-dollar-size hail and destructive winds in excess of 70 miles per hour. This storm was located near Colt, or near Wynn, and moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include but are not limited to Caldwell, Cherry Valley, Colt, Parkin, Vandale, Wynn and Village Creek State Park. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. If a tornado is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety in a sturdy structure, such as a storm shelter or small interior room. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:45 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Arkansas: Crittenden, Cross and St. Francis.
National Weather Service has issued tornado watch.